When the local cache is available, the Divi builder uses it to place the module templates there for better performance. If the templates are not there, the modules cannot be loaded properly. This can happen if something changes in the cached modules, for example after an update. Divi Awesome products normally detects this automatically and then renews the cache independently. However, if errors occur, you can manually refresh the cache at any time. You do not have to leave the page for it and do not reload it. Just click on refresh in the menu box. Or on TAWP refresh in the toolbar.